Hello, my name is Dr. Mark Hardiman and I'm a geographer at the University of Portsmouth. I'm interested in the world around us and understanding it, particularly the natural world. And at Portsmouth we look at things like glaciers, rivers, coasts, which of course we're surrounded by here in Portsmouth, and environmental change. Of course, part of that is going out on field trips to understand these systems. The world around us is our natural laboratory, but also taking samples and bringing those back into the lab so we can do more detailed experiments. I'm now going to pass you on to my colleague, Dr. Linley Hastewell. It's going to tell you a little bit about some of the work that our current undergraduates are doing on our BSc Geography course.
This area of the lab is the more analytical side of the laboratory, where students have access to a wide range of different pieces of equipment. What the flume allows us to do is to reproduce those natural conditions and alter them as well. We can then look at how sediment moves in our manufactured, altered river state compared to that in the field. So we also have a range of laser scanners as well. Now these are used to document changes in the environment. So we've used these on Kilimanjaro, also in Arctic Finland as well, looking at snowmelt. And we can tie that imagery that we get from the laser scanner in with drone footage as well to get a much more complete understanding of how the environment is changing. We've also got a piece of equipment that the students tend to use when looking at plastic pollution. We have a number of students that go out into the field, take samples, carry out beach surveys. The students are able to analyse those plastic particles and get an idea of not only what the plastic is, but also potentially where it might have come from. Now that's really important from a geographical and an environmental context, because it allows the student to not only get an understanding of what the particle is and what that issue is and the extent of that problem, but it also provides opportunity for them to think about the bigger picture really and start thinking about how we can address that problem. And that is a really important quality to take into a competitive workforce.